How to delete your Badoo account permanently. Decided it's time to leave Badoo? Let's delete your account permanently in just a few simple steps. First, open the Badoo app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right and tap your icon to open settings. Scroll down and tap account. Look for delete account at bottom, tap it. Badoo will ask why you are leaving. Choose a reason from the list or type your own. Tap delete your account. Tap continue. Again tap the reason. Again you need to tap a reason. Then tap continue. Tap delete account to confirm. Your profile message and message will be permanently removed. And that's it. The Badoo account is now gone for good. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.